ng sinabi ko kanina, nagdadialog kami sa mga ganitong eskwelahan kasi pinapaliwanag din namin, if we are Catholic schools, we should not teach anything contrary to the official teaching of the church. In fact, naalaala ko nung pumunta dito, yung prefect ng Congregation on Christian Education and Seminary, si Cardinal Gropolowski, he gave an example of a famous university, yung Louvain, na sabi niya dahil yung teaching nila contrary na to the teaching of the church. And Rome declared that this university should no longer be considered a Catholic university. Ayun. So, kaya nga, no, in many places, yung kinakausap mo na namin kasi some teachers siguro at the misunderstanding of what they think would be freedom of, freedom of conscience or yung with academic freedom, akala nila they can just say anything they like. Kaya nga we're clarifying, sabi nga, and in some of our universities we say, if you want to teach that idea, don't do it in a Catholic university. Do it in another university. Kasi we're confusing the students. Kaya nga, yung iba, pinapaaral nila sa Catholic University or sa Catholic schools dahil yung inasahan nila, they will receive yung Catholic teaching and also yung Catholic formation. Kaya it would be a contradiction if in the same Catholic institution, they would be bombarded with ideas which are against the official teaching of Catholic faith.
Okay.